Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Answer the Public for question-based SEO topics, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Answer the Public, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in answerthepublic.com and press enter. Once the website loads, you'll see a clean and user-friendly interface. At the center of the home page, you will find a search bar. Type in a keyword or topic relevant to your niche. After entering the keyword, click on the search button. Wait for a few moments as the tool generates its data. Once the results are displayed, you will see various categories of questions. These categories include questions, prepositions, comparisons, and related queries. Focus on the questions section to find the most popular inquiries. You'll notice a visual representation of the questions in a circular format. Exploring these visualizations can give you insights into what users are searching for. You can also scroll down to view the data in a list format. This format can be easier to read and analyze. Take note of the questions that resonate most with your content strategy. If you need inspiration, look at the prepositions and comparisons sections as well. These sections can provide additional angles to approach your topic. After collecting your insights, you can start creating content that answers these questions. Using these user-generated queries can enhance your SEO strategy significantly. When you're ready, consider transitioning your findings into blog posts, videos, or other content formats. With a clear understanding of your audience's questions, you're now better equipped to create valuable content. The insights from Answer the Public will guide you toward successful question-based SEO topics. This tool is an excellent resource for beginners aiming to optimize their content strategy. Regularly checking back can help you stay updated on evolving trends and queries. Now, you're set to utilize Answer the Public effectively for your SEO endeavors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.